Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, I get so many questions about this, and I know a lot of you are having an issue like this as well. These are Deco Art metallic lusters. And Tuppy, I know that you are having this problem as well, as many of you are. This is the lavish green, elegant emerald, and orange flicker. Now, I love these. These are from Deco Art. I love them. However, they dry out very, very quickly and they get moldy very quickly. Now, these aren't moldy, but they did dry out quickly. But here's the thing, you can still use them. When I first opened these, I was going for the green gold kind of thing, and I went to use it and it's hard as a rock. So I went through mine and I've quite a bit. So I just pulled these ones out just to show you what you can do. And I'm sure, you maybe some of you have already done this, but don't throw them out because they're still used. You can still use them as art, like pastels, like pen pastels. So I take it out. I just kind of wedged it out a little bit. And then if you're using it on a stencil or whatever, just use it like a crayon. And I go like this. And you get a really great, now they're not wet, so you can't really blend them. I'm trying to show you. You can't blend them, but you can see you can definitely use them. They will go over your acrylic paints. Just to add a little bit something. Maybe you want some different color in the corner, and you still get, a little, see the shine and all that. So they still work, nice. So that is that. And then this one, come on, baby. I gotta do my nails today, so they're kind of like, yeah, not that good. So I must not have taken him out all the way. I just go in, you see, and they come right off. I have to wipe that off because I'll get that in my paint later. And I mean, look how pretty. Pushing hard. And when I turn it up, look at that. You still get that great sheen. So these, are still usable if they dry out, as well as I'm sure, other brands. I only have these right now. So, and I know that they've dried out. So that is a great little tip. Don't throw them away. Still use them. They still, work. You'll just have to use them in a different application. You can still go over stencils and everything else and use them like a crayon, like a pastel or oil pastel or whatever. And, just a little tip for you. I hope you guys are having a great day. And let me know down below if this has happened to you guys and if you try this out. Like I said, I was sitting here and I'm like, I don't want to throw these away. There has to be something that I can do. And I thought, wow, just to be able to put like on top of a painting as a little accent or, a little something, something. Because like I said, you can still see it still gets deliciously, look at that, the shine. So it's not like it, goes away. I just have to use it a little different. So I love you guys. Always please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.